Hey friends, if you wish to use Windows 11 widgets without signing in, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Let me show you widgets first. Right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings, and you can turn the switch on for widgets. Now, you need to be signed in for it, but you can also use many of these, not all of these, but many of these without signing in. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and sorry, go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to sign in options. Now there is something which says for improved security, allow only Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft accounts on this device. Turn this off. If you've been away, when should Windows require you to sign in? Never. Okay, and then it will ask for your PIN or password or whatever. And once all these two switches have been changed, this to off and this to never, you will be able to use widgets without signing in. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.